going on, guys? So we're headed out to the meet. We're in the truck, it just got out of work. So let's go head over there. The truck is not tuned yet. We just gotta burn this 87 out, man.
Oh shit, it is.
What's up?
Hola.
All right. Have you seen the turbo? The new turbo?
On this?
Yes.
You know how long
I haven't
since
seen
I've
this
seen
car
this?
yet.
Go look at the turbo.
It's been like a year and a half since I've seen this car.
What's up, man?
What's up?
How you been?
I'm good. How yourself?
It's a little smoke.
Holy crap.
That's kind of big.
I was just about to say I haven't seen this car in forever. But
Oh, is that your heat piping smoking?
What?
The
Yeah. Yeah, I was just
the
out.
wrap.
Well, it's probably that. I got water on it. It's also kind of.
we heard you making rips like coming this way, and then we were like,
Just putting in the cheat codes.
Yeah, that it will. When I'm one wheel on it, yeah. Like I want to go, I'm gonna get hit.
Yeah. It's just a Coyote.
Just a Coyote.
All right. Below that screen. To Mexico. It's got a radio. It's got a radio.
Does it?
Yeah.
Race car with a radio?
It's got a radio.
Is that the LS? Not the Coyote?
nah.
What do you think?
Yo, we priceless
LS.
reaction in it.
Dude, she should have braked.
I know, that's what I'm saying. You would shit a brick in that car.
Fire.
What's up, man?
How are you?
Well, you got the car.
I did.
Nice.
Not to leave it there today. Nice to go with me.
Awesome.
So,
We're on the guard gang.
yeah, we are. I actually really like this color. I've had black cars, like 4 other black cars, so it's a nice color change.
I love it.
Oh, now I.
Yeah.
Oh, you kept the.
Oh yeah, they haven't come off yet. All right. Let's see. So I can sit in here. Ready?
I'm ready. Ready. That's loud.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
That's 3,000.
3?
Yeah.
Holy shit. Okay.
Yeah.
Sounds good though. Sounds good. Oh man. Okay, I might have to do that. That's a good setup.
That's those Corsa long tubes.
How does it sound? Can you even hear? Because you still have the Foster like sound tube, don't you?
Yeah.
Can you even hear that with that going on?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's a good mix, actually.
Okay.
I mean, if you want to get in and rev it, it's loud.
Yeah, you got me sold. You got me sold. We're doing that.
Yeah, it's Corsa long tubes, Corsa Extreme, and it's just 3-inch all the way.
I like the box.
Oh yeah, it's nasty.
She doesn't get tired of it. Like, no one complains in your neighborhood or anything.
I'm sure people complain, but when you're driving in the car with the windows up,
Yeah.
it's quiet.
Okay.
Like, you can drive around and you would think the car just has like catback
Okay.
until you get into the higher RPM or boost.
Because I drove my friend's car. He had a Borla long tube headers and the Borla attacks, and that was miserable. Like,
This is very under 2,000 RPM. It's actually, I choose my words carefully, but
Yeah.
fairly quiet.
okay.
Once you go anywhere above like you heard 3,000 RPM, it's insane.
It is.
But yeah,
All right. Oh, you got me sold on this setup.
I love it.
This
Long tubes fit really good. I mean, no complaints on the Corsa at all. So you haven't heard.
I'm right. Oh wow.
Yeah?
I like it.
What do you think, Max?
Rev it. Hey, that'd be cool if you could do that on there. That's cool.
All right, so that's about gonna wrap up this video. Make sure you unfollow Stockish.
No.
50.
No. Why do you gotta do that?
Why do you gotta do
No.
that?
Follow Stockish 5.0.
Make sure you slap the like button down below. Leave a comment. Let us know what you think of that Coyote swapped Foxbody.
Wait, what?
LS Swapped Foxbody, the most hated Foxbody of ever. I like it, so I mean it's fast.
It's got a big
scoots.
turbo, so.
It scoots. So we'll see you guys next time. Well, maybe not.
Maybe not me.
Maybe not Meatball over here.
I really hope you don't put that in.
Oh man.